So let me say that again. All right. Some of you guys who told me the average was 9.5 and 18.7. I know the answer is somewhere between 5 and 8. A lot closer to 5 than it is to 8. All right. What'd you get? Anybody else get 6.25? No, what'd you get?
64.33.
You're not even listening to what I just said. I said the
6.4.
Thank you. Anybody else get 6.4? Sorry, I'm having trouble with my 6.4. Anybody else? Yes, what is up with that? Finley. 6.4. Tell me. 5.843. Okay, you got it? Okay, so now you're super close, so it has to probably just be a rounding, or you may have looked at the number wrong. All right. So now, just because we had so many mistakes, here's what we're going to do. All right. On the mean, how many 5s are there? 4. Now, come on, we don't need our calculator for that. So what's that total right there? 20. So you put on your calculator 20 plus. Now, how many 5.5s are there? Right, 4. 5.5 times 4 is 22. How many 6s are there? So that's going to be 24. And how many 6.5s? So that's going to be, I think, 19.5. And then there's an 8. So everybody add those up, please.
Yeah.
Is that, what is it?
93.5.
93.5. And now that I have 93.5, what do I have to divide by? Divide by how many?
7. 16. 5.
Why 16? That's the number of numbers. There's 4 here. There's 4 here. There's 4 here. There's 3 here. There's 1 here. That makes 16. So we divide that by 16. Remember, I said round to 3 decimal places, so we're going to try to do that. 5.844. All right, come on, guys. That's kind of embarrassing if you can't do that with a calculator. All right, no more of that. Median is the number in the middle. How many numbers are there? So is there really a median? No. So what's half of 16? So I'm looking for the what 2 numbers? 8 and 9. We're looking for the 8th and 9th numbers. So at the top, you're going to put 8 and 9 numbers. So now I'm just counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the 8th and 9th numbers. So I take the average of 5.5 and 6. And what is the average of 5.5 and 6? 5.75. If you got that right, pat yourself on the back. Good job. Really, if I was going to argue about a mode here, the mode, is it possible for the mode to be 3 numbers? Yeah, but not likely. All right. So this is kind of a silly problem, in my opinion. I think the mode you would write as 5, 5.5, and 6. All right. It just so happens that those numbers all occur the same number of times. Is everybody with me on that? Right? Come on now. I don't think this is that hard. Everybody's good? Okay. Why would you do the average of those 3? No, I didn't average them. You write all 3 down, okay? All right. Now, hopefully this one was better. All right, come on, guys. This one, there's no tricks to this. So mean, median, and mode. All right, somebody who got the first one right. Quinn, what's the mean?
64.333.
Anybody get 64.333? Yep. Yes, sir. 64.5. Anybody else get 64.5? How many numbers are there? Yeah, 12 months in the year. Anybody else get 64.5? 64.3 repeating?
Yeah.
All right, so double check that. All right, just double,
I'm looking at the wrong one.
I'm okay with it.
64.3.
Yeah, there you go. All right, which one's in the middle now? I need to find what two numbers?
6 and 7.
I need to find the sixth and seventh number. Now let's practice this. I need help. Sixth and seventh.
43,
What's the smallest?
43,
So 1,
46. December,
2,
February, 22nd,
3,
51,
March, 4,
April, 51.
5.
March?
Uh-oh, we forgot what?
Oh,
That's okay, that's okay. We forgot 52. So now we have the 6, right? So the sixth number is what? Finley, seriously, man, I don't know what's wrong. You're oblivious today for some reason. The sixth number is equal to what? Which is what?
61.
61. What's the next number? 67. So you add those two numbers and divide by 2. What is it?
64.
All right, 64 degrees. I'm good with that. It's all right. Mode. They're all different? Just use the other one. No mode. All right, here we go. I'm on 14 now. It's annoying. Does anybody agree with that?
Yes.
Right? Come on now, please. Come on. If you take your time, you have a calculator. It's not that big of a deal. All right. With the calculator, you should be able to, tell me again. Anybody come up with a mean? Tell me, Miss Vaughn. Never mind is not an answer. Mean is a number. Well, 1,000 seconds. That's an average. I like it. 48.75 seconds. I'm not saying that's correct. 15. That can't be 15 because 15 is not between those numbers. What did you think? Oh, you got 48.75 too. So 2 people. That's pretty good. What did you get? 28.3. I'm happy with that. What did you get?
150.
Is there even 100 seconds on as a commercial? Average means it's got to be between them. Tell her. Wow, 48, it looks like 48.75 might be an answer. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, guys. Come on now. I'm asking you to do stuff with a calculator. And I've got 3 people maybe with the right answer. Uh-oh. Maybe if, what? 28.3 repeating. Oh, okay. So I got 2 people here with this number. All right, so everybody take out your handy dandy calculator. Good. How much? Good. I like it. A different number. All right. So here we go. 5 commercials were 30 seconds long. So what do I have to do? Do 5 times 30. plus. Now you have to do 10 commercials were 15 seconds. Plus 10 times 15. Then 2 commercials were 60 seconds. So plus 2 times 60. And then finally, 1 commercial was 90 seconds. So plus 90. So what was the sum, guys? Davis, you're not even doing this on your calculator like I'm asking you. Sitting there daydreaming. All right? We didn't get the right answer. You should participate. Some of you, I just see pounding on your calculator. What was the total? 510. It's embarrassing if you can't get that using a calculator. I'm going to be honest.
So you just like,
You're adding them up,
oh,
right? So there are 5 30s. Do you agree with that? So you can do 5 times 30, or you can do 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30. But we're smart, so we're just going to do 5 times 30. You with me? And so on and so forth, right? And we got to 510. Did you get to 510? Okay. Now, how many commercials were there? How many? 18 or 13?
Oh, yeah.
Is it 18 or 13? Is everybody agreeing it's 18? So 510 divided by 18. What is that?
28.3.
Is that right? 28.3 repeating. All right, those of you guys who said 28.3 repeating, pat yourself on the back. You can at least use a calculator. All right, you can use a calculator. Some of you don't pat yourself on the back because nobody believes you. Because I asked what the answer was. I have 128.3. Or no, there were 2. And I have half the class pat themselves on the back. Yeah, no one believes you. Okay, what is the median? All right, Miss Vaughn, let's try this again. Don't tell me it's like 9,000 or something. Tell me. That's what I'm asking. I don't want you to tell me what your neighbor did. I want you to tell me what your answer is. What? 135 is in the middle of all those numbers. Where do I see 135? Zip, zip, zip. Don't even try to explain anything to us. That doesn't make any sense. Uh-oh, this ought to be interesting. Go.
15.
15. Oh, Smarty Pants got 15 too. 45. Okay, I'm gonna put that down because I need a good laugh. All right. How much? 15 again. What'd you get? 29.5. All right, we'll go with that. Mr. Williams. 15, because there's already 2 of them up there, 3 of them up there, or you got that on your own? Good. How much? Oh, come on. Oh, this ought to be interesting. Go. 12.7. Let's put that in there. Let's just throw these numbers around like they're meaningless. Oh, 4.5. What exactly is that between? People, you are killing me. Killing me. All right. Do we agree here, guys, that at least the commercials are listed in order, right? So there's 5, 30. Uh-oh. Come on. There are 5, 30 seconds. Then there are what? 10, 15 seconds. Then there are 2, 60 seconds. And then there are 1, 90. Guys, I can look at that right off the bat and say the answer is what? How do you, there's nothing even to do on this problem. All you have to do is write the information down, and it's obviously 15 seconds.
Well, how do you know it's not 12.7?
Because how many numbers are there? 18, right? Do you agree with that or not? So we need the 9th and the 10th number. Where is the 9th and 10th at?
9 and 10. That is, there's only 4 numbers.
I know I'm not making myself clear, so here we go, watch. Ooh,
Oh,
guess what? They tricked me.
here,
15.
Now, where does the 15 seconds go, guys? They did trick me on this one. Look up, look up, look up, look up.
Oh, it's supposed to be the other way around.
It's supposed to be switched.
It's supposed to be 15. 30.
Yes, nice. Thank you, Quinn. That's what I'm saying. No excuses from you. Well, then maybe you're right. Shh, shh, shh. Hold on. Let's see if that's right now. Let's see if we're right. Okay. So what are we between here? How many numbers were there? So we're between the 9 and 10, correct?
Yeah, so it's still
It's still what?
15.
It's still 15. Because the 9 and 10 are in what? Are in the 15-second range. Come on, guys. Now listen. I'm not trying to tell you this. Hey, listen for a second. Does everybody understand? This really isn't that hard. It's just annoying. Does everybody agree with me? We're not doing some really difficult math here. We're just going for some basic understanding of numbers. All right. Everybody okay with that being 15 now?
Yes.
At first, I thought they tricked me, but it just so happened it didn't matter when I arranged them, because whenever you find the median, you got to put the numbers from small to large. All right. That was the problem. All right. That was an excellent question. All right. Now let's take a look at, we didn't get the mode yet. Obviously, the mode is what? 15. All right. Don't even pat yourself on the back because you got that one right. All right. Here we go. Now I ask you to do 15, please. Now, come on. You had a calculator. I just don't think this is an issue. Tell me. H. Anybody else get H? Anybody else having problems with 15? All right, I'm happy with that. All right, let's flip the page. 18. Between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m., 18,000 visitors entered the Family Fun amusement park. Between 9 a.m. and 10:20 a.m., an average of how many visitors per minute? Ooh, this is a good one. Finley, I'm going to let you tell me. 225. What did you get? Wow.
150.
150. I like it. Good job, guys. Don't change your answer because Finley said 225. 150. So we're between. Good. 150. Oh, so we got a little disagreement here. So now, does everybody agree we're doing the average per minute, correct? So you have to tell me how many minutes were involved. From 9 to 10:20. Is that 80 minutes?
80. That's 80.
80, thank you. It's 80. So if we had 18,000 visitors in 80 minutes, do the math on that, please. It is 225. I'm not sure how you got 150. Right? It says visitors per minute, visitors per minute, visitors minutes. Is everybody agreeing with me? All right, here we go. What else did I ask you to do? 20, here we go. All 25 students in chemistry class took a test. Each student earned a test score that was an integer number of points, and no two students earned the same test score. The median was 80. How many students earned a test score that was greater than 80? 12. I like you. Somebody else. Good. Wow. What did you get? Am I thinking this is too easy? Was it too easy?
No.
All 25 students in chemistry class took a test. Each student earned a test score that was an integer number of points, and no two students earned the same test. The median was 80, right? So 80's in the middle, thank you. How many students earned a test score that was greater than 80? Well, how many students are in the class? 25, right? So this represents what student?
The middle.
The middle. So what's the middle student? What number is the middle student?
No, 20, well, 20, no. Oh, 13.
Thank you. Listen to me. Come on, slow down. You're going to get it. All right. That's what I'm saying. Relax. 80 is the 13th score, guys. 80 is the 13th. Is everybody agreeing with me? Now, some of you, I don't know if you believe me or not. Does everybody understand what I'm saying? 80 is the 13th score.
Yeah.
So how many people scored greater than 18 or greater than 80? 12, because there were 12 scores over here and there were 12 scores over there. If you got that one right, kind of pat yourself on the back. That was a nice thinking question. Okay, actually, guys, this is so important, and today's assignment was so easy. I'm gonna do this. We're just gonna go ahead and finish this for homework, and you're gonna turn it into me tomorrow. All right, so go back now. The ones we did not do, it's guys. I mean it now. I want you to do a good job. I want you to get the answers correct today. All right, I don't like to spend an extra day on things, but the average is important. So make sure you do 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 19, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Everything you haven't done so far. All right. Start with 1, 2, and 3. We didn't do that. Did we do 3? I mean, I'm sorry, 2, 4, and 6. I'll say that again. 2, 4, 6. 19, 21, 22, 23, 24. Come on, guys, get to work right now. Use your calculator. All right, really nice. Do what?